Hey people, and so it's like now I'm very keen on writing these one little like on Instagram to post one post every day, no matter what. So it's on Instagram you can find me by typing Amrita Suresh 111. So no, the reason I'm saying all this is sometimes this everything that we ever do in life, it's all about networking. Like networking, or let's call it marketing. I mean, because if you don't let people know that what you're doing and all, nobody gets to know, and life is very like sad. So really, after long, I don't have these little rabbits with me, but I felt I should make this video. So really, people, you all can catch me on Instagram by Amrita Suresh 111, and on Amazon you can find me by just typing Amrita Suresh. So really, it's already a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.